Had to check the mic. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, basically what we have here is we have f of x equals x squared plus 1 when the variable x is less than 4. And we have f of x equals 6x minus 7 when the variable x is greater than or equal to 4. And basically you can just think of the piecewise function as two different functions. You could either, and that's really all the piecewise is. It's really just this function and this function. However, the main important thing about the piecewise function is that these constraints. So what the constraints tell us is we're only going to use this function when the values of x are less than 4, and we're only going to use this function when the values of x are greater than or equal to 4. So we don't need to break it up like this because we can leave it as that, but I just wanted to break this up because if you look at the first example, which is f of negative 2, we need to determine which piecewise function, which function we're going to have to evaluate for negative 2. Well, we look at negative 2, which is the input, which would represent our x, and we say, well, negative 2, it's either less than 4 or greater than or equal to 4, which is obviously less than 4, so therefore we're going to use that function. So f of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 squared plus 1. And then obviously negative 2 times negative 2 is going to be positive 4 plus 1, which equals 5.